Abdurrahman, please come back. Manjunath, morning. Abdurrahman. Come on, who is that? You only there? You only talking always, no? Not me. Huh? Come back here. No issue. Come back. Come back, come back, please. Please, sir. Come, no, sit there and lay. Don't come. Yeah. Observe here now. Now, today we are going to discuss about cloud. First, what do we mean by cloud? What that we are going to discuss in the test. One server, sir. You take any server. Okay, otherwise one thing we'll discuss about the normal thing. How can I know whether a bike is working correctly or not? Bike, everyone have bike, cycle or bike or anything, any component. How can you verify it's working correctly or not? By checking it. Yes, sir, that is a normal term. Because bike, whenever you require, at the time only checking. Yes or no? When you're going outside, at the time you start the bike or cycle, whatever the thing we're having, if they're working on it, when you require only we're going to check. We are not going to check every 10 minutes. Yes or no, sir? Yes or no? Yes, sir. When you're coming into production, sir, from the production server, you're getting money. Companies are getting money. Then they need to check all the services, all the servers, all the port number, all the configuration working correctly or not. Yes or no? Because from that website only we're getting the money. Yes or no? Yes. Yes, sir. So only we can't give any person, every person, even the 24/7 shift is there also. Every one minute, we can't go and check whether particular thing is working or not. To check particular thing, first you should log into server, then check the service, then you check the web page, then the port number is connected or not. Everything. At least for this checking, at least you require maximum how much fast you do, 5 to 6 minutes you require, sir. Yes or no, sir? This you can't keep on repeating till 24 hours. Understanding my point? Yes or no? Yes, sir. So only we are having a monitoring. So we are having a component called as a monitoring tool. Monitoring tool. First I'm going to extend the monitoring tool, then I'm going to go the CloudWatch. Correct? So only having a monitoring tool. People who completed DevOps, they would have discussed Nagios. Nagios end to end, they should have done. I'm going to explain that also. I'm going to give the overview of it. Let's see. Monitoring tool. Monitoring tool. What is the monitoring tool? Any project, sir? They'll be having one monitoring tool. What are the free monitoring? What are the monitoring tools available right now in the market? Extensively used is Nagios, Zabbix, SolarWinds, NetWind. These are the extensive used. These are the more used monitoring tool in the IT industry right now. In that, leader will be the Nagios. Leading, what is the meaning of monitoring? As I told, we can't any server in production. We need to keep aware that server should be working all the time. All the services in the service should be working fine. All the what are the configuration in the server that should be other important is work that we can't keep on logging to server and check it, sir. So we need a monitor to monitor job responsibility. What we informing that is going to check regularly. Regularly that interval also we can set every 1 minute, 5 minutes, or every 30 minutes that you're going to check. Getting my point, sir? Arthak, getting my point, sir? I want response back. Please, sir, understanding, sir? No. When you go into a monitoring tool, we are having a monitoring tool master server. I'm going to explain the configuration. We'll be having a one monitoring tool and there will be one master server. That's in the production, I am around 1 lakh servers. 1 lakh servers is there. Correct? Then our project ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಲಕ್ಷ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಇದೆ ಇವಾಗ. This 1 lakh server, everything is working fine. In 1 lakh server ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Correct? Particular file configured or not. That we going to check it. But particular path is there or not. These all the things I want to monitor. Getting this 1 lakh server. 4 operations already. 4 into 1 lakh. 4 lakh operation. That I can't do manually. Correct? This 1 lakh server, I'm going to configure 1 lakh server in master server, master monitoring tool. Master monitoring server. That's all. First thing is this master monitoring server is going to check whether is able to master server able to connect to the client servers or not. First job. Master server or Nagios and then Nagios master server should be able to reachable to all the client server. Correct, sir? They will get a GUI, then they're going to monitor what are the services we need to monitor that we go to configure here. Correct? Example I'll take CPU utilization. CPU, memory, these are the normal things. Disk space, and so normally this will treat service also will take. Service HTTP important and thousand. Correct? When CPU utilization, Nagios found in one of the server, CPU is greater than 75%. What the action you want to perform? You should go to send a mail to your email ID. Getting my point, sir? You'll get an alert. Correct. You'll get a message, sir. Whenever data, if your data or I can take about mobile internet use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ sir. When the mobile 2 GB or 1 GB free, right, per day. Correct. If you take data 1 GB free. Whenever data is consumed more than 50%, you'll get an alert message from Airtel. 50% data is used. Yes or no? Yes. That also coming from server only. They set a threshold. Whenever user reaches this much threshold, you should send a message to that particular user. All 1 lakh servers configured in the monitoring tool master server. Correct? What are the things if you monitor that I'm going to configure here? I'm going to inform to this server. CPU, memory, disk space, service check, port check, particular file, particular website is working or not. These all the things I'm going to configure master server. These all the details going to check in the all the 1 lakh server. Interval set ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. Every 1 minute I need to check, or every 5 minutes, every 30 minutes. Correct? When there's no issue, it's not going to do anything. When there's an issue, it's going to send a mail. When there's an issue, it's going to send a mail. Send a mail, this is one option. As for production, what we're going to do, we're going to send an email alert to the team also. And also we're going to create a ticket. ServiceNow. ServiceNow is a ticketing tool. ServiceNow is a ticketing tool. Nagios is going to integrate with the ServiceNow. Whenever any issue point, going to create a default ticket with a particular template and assign to particular team. Understanding? Getting my point, sir? Correct, sir? This will be extensively monitoring tool. Is very, very important. Monitoring tool. Nagios is free. Almost all the things we're going to use in, at least I can tell nowadays they may be a little bit less, but when we started 70-80% of all the servers will be configured in the Nagios only, mostly. Correct? If possible, I'm going to explain you the Nagios configuration also. I'm going to check the details, what are the things they covered for you. Then I'm going to explain. Getting my point, sir? This used to monitoring tool is used to verify required what are the servers in your project, whether working fine or not. What are the things you require to check manually that is working fine or not. When are CPU utilization, anything, basic thing. One laptop on the other important CPU, memory, displays, ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ HTTP ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ರನ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ SSH ಸರ್ವಿಸ್, ರಿಮೋಟ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್, cron scheduler with 6 components you need to monitor in all the server. Correct? I 1 lakh server ಹೋಗಿ ನಾ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಶಿಫ್ಟರ್ ಇದೆ 5 ಜನ. 1 ಲಕ್ಷ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು again ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. Correct? Suddenly your name Mallikarjun, right? Mallikarjun intentionally stop with the cron. Until I check, I will not come to know. The monitor set ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ will get alert. We'll get alert, so we can immediately take action. Action ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಏನ್ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದು ಆ ಶೆಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟಿಂಗ್. Whenever this particular condition, I should start a service automatically. Fix. Start ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ರನ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. Understanding my point? Yes, no. Yes, sir. I have some English. Yes, sir. Clear? No, this is all the physical data center we use. These are the physical data center we using. Same thing monitoring. We're going to do in AWS also for the CloudWatch. In physical server in monitor ಮಾಡ್ತೀವೋ ಅದೇ monitoring tool AWS ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, service called the CloudWatch. From there you're going to monitoring. But doesn't mean that AWS is particularly need to be monitored. AWS for anything it should be chargeable. Anything you do, it's a chargeable. Understanding my point, sir? Anything to chargeable, but AWS servers also we can monitor from Nagios also. But we need to, when you do Nagios, it's a free. We'll take a 5 years center. If Red Hat, think like a Nagios ground for Red Hat. Correct, sir? We'll take a subscription for 5 years. They'll give free. 5 years, they give the free support. But AWS, you monitor for every 5 minutes, train agutta. With a free account gone. Free account gone. Today only your account will suspend because you are informing AWS team to keep on monitoring my service. Every 5 minutes check ಮಾಡಿ ಏನೇ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಗೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Because they're spending the CPU memory, right? For that they will charge. Correct? We can, but we should know that also. CloudWatch also we should know. I'm telling this can be done from normal monitoring tool also. We can turn from CloudWatch also. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ sir? Understanding? Yeah, shall we start? Okay. Yeah, in CloudWatch, what are the things we discussed? Okay? Please. Once we this cover we faster, I can discuss a little bit about service now. I can discuss a little bit of service now. I can discuss a little bit about Nagios also. What are the things you people have learned? First, I need to know that one. What are the things you learned? So, work on DevOps. Yes, DevOps have cover again, sir. DevOps. That first batch, second batch. ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ DevOps ಯಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಒಂದು ಜನ ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್. Completed, right? I'm not completed. Okay. CloudWatch. No. Please observe, sir. Please observe. Please observe. Please observe. Please observe. Please observe. Come on. In CloudWatch, we are going to cover now 2 types of things. Sir. Create an event. Please observe. Please, sir. Please, sir. Whenever any event occur on a particular service, server ಇವಾಗ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. Server is stopped now. If anyone start, restart, stop, if these are change event. Correct? Any event occur on a particular EC2 instance ID. Instance ID, I would like to get one notification. This is a event, sir. Please understand there's two types of things you're doing today. One is creating a event. The particular condition, if anyone S3 bucket ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ S3 bucket ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈಲ್ ಯಾರಂದ್ರೆ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ or delete or replace, I would like to anyone create a bucket. I would like to get a notification. Notification SMS last class ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ. These are one scenario we're going to discuss. We're going to do for EC2. Second one. Monitoring ಹೇಳಿದ್ನ sir. Not use one. Alarm. We're going to set an alarm. We're going to set an alarm when a CPU utilization greater than 75%. I should get one alarm. I should get a notification. And also I would like to people who are working in the already working in the IT, sir. You are in as what you are working, sir? Support. You will be seeing dashboard of monitoring. Yes. The dashboard also we're going to create today. The dashboard also we're going to create. Clear, sir? Understanding my point, sir? There only supports and operation knock engineers only we can learn more. Only if you know the operation support things only, then only you can think what we can automate, sir. Directly if you join as a DevOps, that's a waste. I clearly tell you. You don't know what is server only, you can join DevOps engineer. That's the wrong thing. Not the role you're getting from start from L1. That's the good thing for all of you. Come back, sir. Now first we'll go to click on search for CloudWatch, sir. Better I'll start one server bit. Before that, 1 second, sir. Before that, go to EC2. Go to EC2. On any one of the servers, sir. On any one of the server. If you have a server, on any one of the server. On any one of the server. Madhra? Done, sir? Come back here. All done, sir? See, sir, here. If you drag down, sir, please observe, please observe, please observe. When instance ready, click ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ simple. Okay. Drag down. You'll getting a option there called as a monitoring. What's that? Yeah. Monitoring. Yes, sir. Click on the monitoring. Whenever any EC2 instance getting created, right? Defaultly, basic level of monitoring will be enabled. That is free. That is free. Basic level like CPU utilization, input and output bytes, network IO, disk IO, everything is there here. Metrics. These are all called metrics, sir. What are the things you want to monitor in AWS language? That is called as a metrics. CPU utilization, memory utilization, disk utilization, particular service, you need to check it. That all what are the things you need to monitor in the server, that is called as a metric. Default agi AWS is enable ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. You can able to see, sir. Yes or no? Correct, sir? No deal. Observe, sir. Please come back. Give the basic level of monitoring. This will be monitoring for every 5 minutes. Default will monitor for every 5 minutes, but I want to monitor for every 1 minute. Detail monitoring. Detail monitoring andaga it's chargeable. But I'm going to show you, but I'm not going to enable it. I'm going to show you. You'll get a option called manage detail monitoring ಅಂತ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಯು ಎನೇಬಲ್ ಮಾನಿಟರಿಂಗ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಇಸ್ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ 1 minute ಪೀರಿಯಡ್. ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ 5 minutes. Before it was 5 minutes. So 1 minute enable ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. Just see the option. Correct? Production we're going to enable it. Whenever I create a new EC2 instance, defaultly monitoring will be enabled for basic detail, CPU, network input output, disk IO, and network bytes. This will be monitoring for every 5 minutes. But if you want to monitor in a very much regular thing, you need to enable the detail monitor. Understanding? Yes or no? Clear, sir? I'm not going to do enable. Just cancel. Okay. Now, sir. Now we'll go to Ardhaita. Clear, sir, Prakash? Next we go to CloudWatch. Okay, sir. Done? But I'll take that instance ID. Let it come. Okay. CloudWatch open ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇದು? Yes, sir? No. Left hand section, you ಹಂಗೆ option called events ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. Events ಅಂತ ಇದೆಯಾ? Yes, sir. Click on the rules. Click on the rules. It will go to Amazon Event Bridge. Yes, sir? Okay. Now default, let it be default only. Don't change anything. Click on create rule. Click on the create rule. ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ ಕುಮಾರ್. Doing or not? Ravi, check it. Is doing, sir. Any doubts, sir? So your face is full of confusion. ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? Okay. Mr. Ravi Kumar? Yes, sir. Yeah, super, sir. Right? Create rule, give the rule name, like any name. Test rule. And your wish, what are the things you want to give? Okay? Description ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, description ಕೊಡಂಗಿದೆ ಅದೇ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Yes, sir? Then no. Rule is the event pattern. Let it be same only. Click on next. Don't change, select any other option. AWS events only. Events ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನರ್ಥ ಅಂದ್ರೆ whenever the particular event occur, ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗಿರೋದನ್ನ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ರೀಬೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಟರ್ಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, I would like to get a notification. Correct? You'll tell to your friend, all are planned for movie. You tell when you go to movie, when you reach mall, you give me call. That is called event. Yes, sir. Correct? Once you reach, you inform me. That is called event. Getting my point, sir? Clear? No. No, AWS event ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಏನು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. Use pattern from same. Drag down. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ event pattern ಅಂತ drag down ಮಾಡಿ. ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇದು? AWS services. Which service you want to monitor? Yeah, all AWS services can be monitored. All AWS services can be monitored. Drag down. Done? Now, ಇಲ್ಲಿ EC2 select ಮಾಡಿ. Search for EC2, search for EC2. Correct EC2. ಬಂತಾ? ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? Event type, sir. Event type. ನನಗೆ right, lot of things are there. ಈ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ EBS ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಡಿಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, EBS ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಓಕೆ, ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಸಬ್ನೆಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. Correct? But we'll take the major one is stop start. That will take. For that we have a EBS notification is there, AMH state change is there, snapshot ಮಾಡಿದಾಗಿದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಇದೆ. Clear, sir? I search for state. Search for state, sir. Last option EC2 instance state change notification ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್, ಹೌದಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್. ಎಸ್ ನೋ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲ EC2 ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ and another one thing, CloudWatch is a regional. You can monitor if you are Mumbai region, Mumbai ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾನಿಟರ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. It's not a global. Understanding the correct. What are any state I mentioned here? ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ರೀಬೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಟರ್ಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಮಾನಿಟರ್ ಏನೇ ಬಂದ್ರು ನಂಗೆ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಬೇಕು ಫಾರ್ ಎನಿ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್, ಇಟ್ ಗಿವ್ ದ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ರಿಗಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಏನೇ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿದ್ರು ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಬಲ್. Here you can do, but in office they will tell you which thing is important. Getting my point, sir? I select right now any state only. Specific state ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, specific state ಇಲ್ಲ. Any instance select ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you have a 15 EC2 instance. All 15 EC2 instance will monitor. I don't, out of 15 only one is production. Out of 15 only one is important server, sir, for me. That EC2 instance only I need to monitor for that specific. Okay, I'll take the instance ID and I'm going to copy it. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? Correct. And you need to pay the instance ID, sir. What the EC2 instance you on, right? That EC2 instance ID ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ sir. It's instance ID ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Specific instance ID. Copy. If you have multiple EC2 instance, you want to common separated, sir. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಮಾಡೋಣ? Ready? All done. Click on next. Amazon service target, sir. ನನ್ಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು? This CloudWatch event future one project we're doing, sir. CloudWatch ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವೋ ಅದು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಲಾಮ್ಡಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಲಾಮ್ಡಾ ಬಂದು ಎಲ್ಲ ತರ ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ ರನ್ ಮಾಡಿ SMS ಕಳಿಸುತ್ತೆ. But right now we are not covered lambda. Correct? This will please observe, please observe, please observe, please observe, please observe. Till now what we have, that is the input. ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಇವಾಗ, ಅದು ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್. Correct? We should get output from SNS. Correct? Target. That is called target. Future we're going to do project that input CloudWatch events, what are the things operation is happening, that is going to pass the event to lambda. Lambda is going to run the Python code. It's going to perform few action. Then finally going to send the SMS notification. Correct? Target ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಮ್ಡಾನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ನಾವು going to select SNS ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Search for SNS. ಬಂತ SNS ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಅಂತ? ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ನೇಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಡು ಸರ್? Additional setting, what is did not required for us right now? Not required. Okay. Click on next, sir. Click on next. Tag ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ tag is nothing but for identification. ಟಾಪಿಕ್ you already came, no? ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಸಂಡೇ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಸಂಡೇ SMS ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನೀವು? I told not to delete. Okay. ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಏನೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ, ಒನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ದೇರ್. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವೇನು ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರಿ. Because you are not create. I told not to delete, sir. Go to SNS, create a topic. And open another tab. Open another tab and create topic. Okay. Other people continue. Click on next. Tags bando is just for identification, sir. This is for EC2 I'll give. This is for identification only, not majorly required. This is for identification. ಇವಾಗ 100 event ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. EC2 event ಮಾತ್ರ ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. EC2 ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನೀವು ಕೊಡೋದೇನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂತಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾನಿಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂತ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸಾ? ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ನಾಟ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್. ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ನಾಟ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ನೀಡ್. ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗರ್ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ರೂಲ್. ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆನ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ರೂಲ್. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Who all created rule? Kind lift hands. I'll wait for another 2 minutes. Create rule. Continue. Idu sir. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಜಯಂತ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಸರ್? Do it fast. Give 1-2 minutes. Complete. In the subscription of the subscription of Now, sir. Now, observe now. EC2 ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಇವಾಗ EC2 ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಿಮ್ಗೊಂದು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ದ EC2 ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಶುಡ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಎ ಒನ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಸರ್. ಮೇಲ್ get on mails. Stop and it take some time. Sir, this message coming, not message coming. Sometimes there will be issue. It's the issue from the AWS. If you delay message, don't ask people. Okay, message is not getting. Everybody can get it. Okay. Yes. Okay. Sometimes message is not coming. The delay from AWS because they see about. They won't give that much priority for them. Start Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Anyone doubt? Yeah. Clear, sir? Yes. This is the way how we going to create a rule. Please understand, please understand, please. Please understand, sir. Please understand, sir. Everyone get to know? You came with traditional wear, sir, today. Suddenly got shocked. Huh? ಊರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ? Enjoy. Good. Good to see. Come back, sir. Now, ಈ ಸಿಟುಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಇವಾಗ ಈ ಸಿಟುಯೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವಿ ಡನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇಬೇಸ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಇಬೇಸ್ ಡಿಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಸ್ನ್ಯಾಪ್ ಶಾಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಟೂಲ್ ಬೇಕು ದಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ವಿ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಎ ಈ ಸಿಟುಯೇಷನ್ ಇಬಿಎಸ್ ದಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಡಿಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಎ ಇಬಿಎಸ್ ದಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಎ ಸ್ನ್ಯಾಪ್ ಶಾಟ್ ಏನೇ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಏನಂತೆ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಆದ ಥ್ರೆಶೋಲ್ಡ್ ಅದು ಅಲಾರಾಮ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ correct that is when change is happened that is event in existing resource only if anything increase above threshold that become alarm that also we going to do next ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ ಇದು understand sir clear better you stop you delete that rule sir because whenever you start send it will be chargeable simply okay please sending a getting a mail also chargeable only delete the rule sir better delete the rule, sir, because chargeable, sir. Disable won't chargeable, but better you require means you create once again, no? Create means that will practice for you only if you want to do. If you disable again, you won't learn it. Aita, Madana? Yes, sir. No. I'll show another one, sir. I'm not going to create rule, but I'm going to show you just. S3 bucket kya tara barutte. I select for S3, sir. I select for S3. Event type, ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆಲ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಪುಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಪುಟ್ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಈ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಈವೆಂಟ್ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅಟ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಯು ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಬಕೆಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ that is bucket level. You want all the things all in. That I'm not going to create, but I'm telling you. Getting my point, sir? Understanding? Clear, sir? No. Go back, sir. Again, go back to CloudWatch. Search for CloudWatch. CloudWatch. Go to CloudWatch, sir. There is a 3 states, sir, here. In the CloudWatch alarm, we're going to create an alarm now. Okay. In alarm, insufficient data. Okay, what are the 3 states? Okay, let me tell you one scenario, sir. ಯಾವಾಗ CPU utilization greater than 75%, I should get an email. Correct? Below 75 ಇದ್ದಾಗ okay ಬರುತ್ತೆ sir, because it is a good status. Getting my point, sir? Understanding, Satya? Good. If it greater than 75, then there's an issue. When I'm creating an alarm, You setting an alarm for 7 o'clock, sir. Before 7 o'clock, the alarm won't ring. It's a good. Till 6:59, it's good. 7 o'clock ring. Yes or no? ಅದೇ ತರನೇ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಸಿಪಿಟ್ 75 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನರ್ಥ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ರನ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ವೆನ್ ಮೆಮೊರಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಿಪಿ ಇಸ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮ್. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಸಿನಾರಿಯೋ ಸರ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ವೆನ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಂಗೆ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಮೇಲ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಸರ್ವರ್, ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವೆರಿಫೈ ವಾಟ್ ದ ಇಶ್ಯೂ, ವಾಟ್ ದ ಅನ್ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಿಲ್ ಇಟ್. Getting my point, sir? Okay. Inner ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is crossed the threshold. Okay, sir? Okay. Insertion data andre I am going to mention interval every 1 minute. That means every 1 minute it goes monitoring tool. Monitoring tool ಬಂದು cloud watch ಇವಾಗ. It go on checking the server whether it is collecting data. By collecting data, it's going to fetch. When it's not able to justify whether it's correct or wrong, it's okay or not, at that time it will be insertion. This data will be coming sometime. Sometimes this data will be coming because at that we can't assure 100% correct result from monitoring tool. There may be some delay. Sometime monitoring tool on server. Otherwise CPU utilization ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Answer. Correct, sir. Correct? If that doesn't hang is over, then it not going to put the correct data. ಆಗ ಜಂಕ್ ಇಮೇಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಅಲರ್ಟ್. ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 65% ಇರುತ್ತೆ. You're going to get alert above 85, but you're going to send a wrong email because that server monitoring tool itself hang issue. This type of issue will happen. We can, any automation, any new things is coming, we can't 100%. What are the automation if you do also, we can't sure 100% is correct. There are chances of failure, then only new thing can be done. Everything going in predictions only. Any technology you learn, that is, we can't sure 100% only. Until manually we'll go and check. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್? ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್? ಎಸ್ ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ. ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಇವಾಗ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು? ಸಿಪಿ ಯುಟಿಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಅವಾಗ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಗಿ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. Because for dummy testing we need to do, we're going to create an issue. I'm going to write on shell script that will create an issue. That will create an issue. You people are also going to do. Then we're going to create alarm. Then we're going to check it. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ ಸರ್? ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಸರ್? Let's log into server from mobile XNAM only. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ ಸರ್? Mallikarjun. What's your name, sir? Your name only. Vibhuti. Name. Srikant. Lakshmikant. Okay. Your name, sir? Gurunath. Your Anand's friend? Oh. Goa friend, no? Someone went to Goa, no, sir? You only, right? Fully? What? Fully. What are the subnames there? ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಗಿ ಸರ್ವರ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಟು ಸರ್ವರ್. ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಗಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್. See, sir. Now I'm going to create one for loop, sir. That will create an issue. Please observe, sir. Please observe. Please. First, let me create. I'm going to paste in Notepad, sir. Don't worry. I'm going to create one for loop with an infinite loop. That loop never going to end. I is equal to 1. I should be greater than is equal to 1. So this never going to end. Yes. greater than flash the null. Flash the null is a nullifier, sir. Correct? Done. It keep on running. You people also should do. I'm going to create a in Notepad. Whenever you want to create a issue, you can try it like this one. We're going to again use this script on Saturday during auto scaling. Yes. Null. ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಸ್ಟಮ್ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಟು ಸರ್ವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ದಿಸ್ everyone yeah hello sir Danza, integrated script or not? They're doing. Okay, done. One people done it. Okay, Danza. Take one, sir. 4 9 done it. Aida. Done madam. Yeah, so we can continue. Indian record of Jayan sir. ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಸರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನೋ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಯ್ತಾ Krishan? Yes, sir. Doing the? Yes, sir. Okay. See now. See now. Come back. Now we're going to create an alarm. We're going to create an alarm. Go to CloudWatch. Left hand section. Nodi. Please. People who are doing your friends. Let them do. Concentrate on yourself. Please. On CloudWatch, left hand section, get an alarm section. Under that, there is a 3 options. Not 2 options. In alarm and all alarm. Click on all alarm. Okay. You're getting a option called as now create alarm. Yes or no? Okay. Click on create alarm. Now select the metric. Metric andre what the thing you want to monitor. Metric is nothing but what you want to monitor. Clear, sir? Select metric. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. One sec, please. People are not done for loop, no problem. First you can create this thing, then afterwards you can create a for loop. People are not done for loop, later also you can do. First I can, because I done, because it's not taking more time, right? So only I done. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? You'll get all, please observe. What's that? You get all the services here. We select a services which you want to do. Correct? We need to select that for EC2. EC2 ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ರ್ಯಾಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ. EC2 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? Yes sir. Sir, select EC2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ sir. EC2 only we need to select the per instance matrix. Click on per instance matrix. You're doing? Done. Okay. ಇವಾಗ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Around 100 or 122 metrics are counting. Please observe, please observe, please observe, please observe, please observe. I want to monitor. If you select all, right, it is going to create an alarm for all the EC2 instances. I don't want to do like that. I want to particular thing only. Correct? So I have the instance ID of my instance. This I copy and I'll search for here instance ID. 19 metrics ಬಂತು. Search for instance ID, yes sir. ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ? ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಸರ್? All done this, all the things. Voice close. ಏನಾಯ್ತು? What happened, Nikhil or Rakesh? Jayant ಆಯ್ತಾ ಸರ್? Prakash? All done, last bench. Search for your instance ID, paste here, sir. Will come. ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ? ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ? Done? Correct? Now, please observe, please observe, please observe. Now, drag down. You will getting the all the issues. Please observe. You will get with what you want to monitor that you need to select now. ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ಗೆ 19 ಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಇವಾಗ ನನಗೆ. ಒಂದೇ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ನಾವು 19 ಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ವಾಟ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಮಾನಿಟರ್ CPU ಯುಟಿಲೈಸೇಷನ್. ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ದ CPU ಯುಟಿಲೈಸೇಷನ್. ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ? ಎಸ್ ಸರ್? ನಾವು select CPU utilization and select metric. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. This is the important thing. Will do? Ready? You will getting this page, right, everyone? Yes sir. Now observe. Please observe. Please observe. Please observe. Please observe. Yes sir. Okay. ನೋಡಿ. CPU utilization, instance ID ಬಂತು. Average. See here now. Please one second. Please keep your mind here. 1 second sir. Everyone. Average ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ you will get a sum also, maximum also, minimum also, everything. What I mean by average? Whenever average of CPU utilization crosses particular percentage, I want to get a alert. That also I can do. One option. When a CPU utilization reaches average ಅಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವಾಗ 95% reach ಆಗುತ್ತೋ immediate ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ಅಲಾರ್ಮ್ ಬೇಕು. That is maximum. When a CPU utilization reaches less than 10 reach, that also I require alarm. But normally we go into production, we go to select the average only. Correct? We select with average only. Right now. Okay. So every 5 minutes delay ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ತುಂಬಾ. So better I'll monitor for every 1 minute. Alarm create ಮಾಡಿ ಬೇಗ input ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ delete ಮಾಡೋಣ. So it will be helpful. Clear sir? 1 minute. Now observe now. What doubt madam? No. Yeah. Now static. ನೋಡಿ greater than equal, lesser, everything is there. Normally in production, when any utilization greater than 85 or 90 we're going to take. But here for testing, I'll take 5 only, wrong value only. I can't wait up to 85%. Sir. Correct? I'll take 5. Invalid input only, but I want the alarm. For testing, I'm going to take 5. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ನಾವು? Correct? Production 85 and 90 ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Correct? Here I'm going to give 5. Understood? Now, drag down, click on next. ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್, ಇನ್ನರ್ ಅಲಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಥ್ರೆಶೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫೈನ್. ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ still data is fetching, still it is not able to decide. Clear, sir? No. I want to send a notification, select a existing SNS topic. ಇಲ್ಲಿ create a new topic create ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ SNS ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ. ಬಟ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ SNS ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಆಡ್ ಆಯ್ತು. Done? Done, sir? Correct. What is the order EC2 action, system manager action? I'm going to add it. Lambda we not covered. Now once Lambda we are doing, we're going to cover at that time. Yeah. Auto scaling we'll go to covering next week, Saturday. Click on next. Give the alarm name. EC2 CPU. Click on next. Ella bantu. Click on create alarm. Click on create alarm. You'll be first beginning, you'll be getting instruction data only. After few minutes, it will go to come in once in alarm bandre, then in the right path. But follow. You should be getting in alarm. It will come. You should already got, I think. Already. Already. It will take some time, sir, because bandis are already. No? Okay. What? Why you are dominating it? Huh? Yeah. It's okay. Okay, all right. Fine. Yes, sir. You get it okay? Yes, sir. Email notification bandila andre don't ask me, sir. Sometimes they are sending from AWS. Email next, fine. Yes. You don't ask me if email notification somebody you get, somebody you won't get. Then came in alarm for me also. In alarm for me also get. If the people are not getting, sir, they delayed fetching the data. We have done right only. It's from the AWS and they delayed fetching the data, they're not able to decide. But few who all got the ignorant can decide. It's on 50%. Okay, Bando. Okay, sir. Okay, then we will respond to that. But the notification are month, sir. Notification. Got it. Ending in the water. What is your can you stop getting I don't think can you okay, because then you are working I know what is. That's it. Now, not in notification. Particular action. If this threshold has been reached, I got the notification. This is one type of thing. After, but whenever the threshold matches, I should get notification also, and automatically I want to perform an action on the EC2 instance also. I want to, whenever it crosses above 75, I want to reboot the instance. I want to stop the EC2 instance. I want to terminate the EC2 instance. This action I can perform automatically. That we're going to add it. Astagfirullah. Getting my point, sir? Clear? I want to add the EC2 action. Now we're going to select the instance, click on actions, not an instance, sir. Click on select the alarm, click on action, click on edit, sir. Click on edit, sir. ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? Track down, sir. It's on the same only. Click on next. Illi. Add EC2 action somewhere. Here. Add EC2 action is here. Click on add EC2 action. You'll get an option here. Whenever in alarm is found, I want to stop the EC2 instance. Stop or terminate better, sir. Stop you can do. Stop or reboot whatever things you want to do. I want to stop the EC2 instance. Getting my point? Correct. Now it should be automatically stopped. Update alarm. Update alarm. Should get stopped. Otherwise, it will take my fresh data or not. I need to know. It should be auto stopped, sir. It should be fresh. It should start from beginning, I believe. It's already in the alarm, right? So it won't take that condition. We'll wait for around 2 minutes. We updated the rules, sir. People who got the stop, ECD instance got stopped, let me know. If you not got stopped, we need to make the again the alarm, again the ECD instance normal state. Then again we need to fire the for loop. Then it will work. It will take because already it's in the inner alarm, sir. Yes. Sir, that is the condition. When it's fetched, other we need to add action. Right from so it up to 10:55 here. It's in already in inner alarm, so only it's not getting picked up. Anyone got stopped, that means. Anyone, if it's got to stop it, that means. Current stop or rated instance, so easily in the segment. Stop or rate. Stop or rate. We need to make it a pocket first. Then we need to. Running on the right. Okay. Then running only. So here I need to control C again. Now it should become okay after certain time. Then again we need to run. Better we would have done for new server only. We have done faster. No issue. Still life. Take some time to reduce the. Ensure that we should have configured new server only. No issue. $5% ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ತುಂಬಾ ತಿಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. It take more time because it should become below 5%, right? Otherwise, one thing to perform this action, we can do one thing. Better we create a new server only, I think so. Load RSC. How much we increase it? You're able to see load RSC here? It load greater than number of core processors. How much core processor are you having? One core processor. Load RSC ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ? Taking more. Take more time, sir. How many S percentage is? How many S is there? Now I need to find out. Color one. Color matches with yes. Second column, huh? Second column. Okay, let me see. It will take some time, sir, for me. Better we create a new institution, sir. To get to below 5%, it will take more time only. Better create a new EC2 instance, sir, and we add the EC2 action. Understand my point, right? We'll create a new EC2 instance only, then we'll perform. Because after we become okay, then it should be missing data. After that, it should perform the actions. That will take more time only. Better we create a new EC2 instance. Go to instances. We'll create a new EC2 instance. We'll create a new EC2 instance, sir. Launch EC2. Don't run a for loop. Don't run a for loop. Just create a new EC2 instance. Just create a new EC2 instance. Stop ಆಯ್ತಾ? For you server, it worked fast, madam. For us, still is in alarm. For you, what happened is now alarm in the asset level. Alarm. In alarm idea, okay. It become in alarm to okay. Again, become in alarm for us. Then only it will work. For us, it will take more time. Better we'll create and do. Don't run the for loop once you create a EC2 instance. First you create an alarm, then you go to run the for loop. The server first. Okay. Now go to alarm. No, okay, go to alarm. Now create alarm. Here should do. Select metric. Select the EC2. Same thing only. Only you need to select the EC2. Select the per instance metrics. Okay. Now search for the new EC2 instance. Create ಮಾಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ ಆ EC2 instance search ಮಾಡಿ sir. Select the new EC2 instance which you selected, sir, which you created. Select the CPU utilization. Select the CPU utilization. It's not created any, so only it's not coming. Just now we created now. CPU utilization you're not getting there. But we are not getting, sir. I'm not getting. Let me see. Select the CPU utilization. You can continue. You can continue. Don't wait for me. Select the CPU utilization. 1 second, madam. It's not on, I think, so for us. Still. People who got CPU utilization, kindly select, continue the same. Once you created, continue with the, after login to the, once you create an alarm, execute the follow. Sir, refresh ಮಾಡಿ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ sir. Satya and madam, you go back and do once again, it will come. CPU utilization ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ sir. Go back and select once again, it will come, sir. Select the metric, CPU utilization. ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಏನು ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು, please. Period 1 minute, sir. Okay. Average ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Static greater than 5. Greater than 5. Same action only. Inner SNS topic barli. Then add the EC2 action. This is important. Here only add EC2 action. Stop this instance. Okay. Click on next. Use our second EC2. Second EC2. Click on next. Click on create alarm. Click on the create alarm. Now I'm going to log into that server. Log into that server. Log into the server, execute follow. Already got super. Stopping. Getting the not getting stop. Should be stopping. Work it for me. Yes. It's adding a person must be different tag in that, but they are so they're not available to get more time on these students. That is the meaning of this. Our server time exist or each party. It was unlimited. Done, sir. Stopping आएगा तो only 2, 3. Okay. What madam? What happened? Okay. Inner बाद में stop आ गया था. First inner alarm should come. Kumar. Answer. No. Parent not you created number. Parent not your number. ಎಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಎಂತ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ ಪಡ ತರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾರು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತದೆ ಬಟ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಓಕೆ ಸರ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ನೋ ಆಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ನೌ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ another one test you madam with 3 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್ but actually she is the only person who achieved correctly. Now Inalam again got okay again because for we are already in the Inalam, right? For getting civilization take more time. So we get a new machine. From okay to Inalam. Okay, means insufficient data ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾನಿಟರಿಂಗ್ ಟೂಲ್ ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ ವಾಚ್ಗೆ ಡೇಟಾ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಓಕೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ at least you're getting the data. Correct? You're below threshold. After that, you become Inalam. Getting my point, sir? Insufficient data, monitoring to not getting a sufficient data. Who are getting insufficient data? Insufficient data after stopping. Correct. That's okay. We achieved our issue means that we leave it. Because we stop it, no, madam. Now will be insufficient only, right? Correct, no, madam. Clear? Done. Okay, sir. Please observe. Please observe. Please observe. Please observe. Please observe. Observe, sir, now. 1 second. Observe now. Now, by using alarm, we're going to create a one threshold. Is that order? Back to dashboard. Please, sir. I'm going to create a one dashboard, sir. Please observe. Please observe. Please observe. Please observe, sir. 1 second. I go to all alarm. There is actions. You will get an option called add to dashboard. You'll get an option called add to dashboard. Yes or no? I'm going to click on dashboard. I'll give you the dashboard name. You can also try. You can also try. Go to alarm, actions, add to dashboard. Everyone doing, sir? People who are not getting stopped, no need to worry, sir. You'll take okay to inalam agutte. Don't wait for that only. You, sir?
Yes, sir.
Doing, sir?
Yes.
Okay. Click on add to dashboard. Give that some dashboard name. EC2 CPU. Select ಮಾಡಿ. Click on create new. Then what type of dashboard you require? In school time we studied, sir. What are the things? Chart, bar chart, pie chart, and another one. This type of one. What is that? No, sir. Tara. That chart and all coming, right? Now, a selected line, sir. A selected line. Drag down. Not getting the create option. Add to that. Okay. Click on add to dashboard. Click. Create, What is this, sir? You people getting create add to dashboard? First upper also give, no, madam. 2 times it should give. Okay. 2 times it should give. Now it's coming. Don't know, 2 times the input. Okay. Clear, sir? Now click on add to dashboard. Click on add to dashboard. Done, sir. Now, please observe. Click on view dashboard. You're getting a dashboard like this. Graph. So since server is down, sir, we are not getting any number. Correct? Suppose you want the bar chart or any other number. Please observe 1 second, sir. 1 second, sir. Please. Gurunath. Observe now. You're getting this type of chart. You want different type of chart at the time. You can select the actions and edit. This will edit. This is your box. Not here, sir. You're getting the option for changing the bar chart here. Changing the type of chart will be required. 1 second, I'll show you. Somewhere you need to change the where it is. Elisa. ಇಲ್ಲ this widget type. You select this thing. If you want a pass number, stack area, pie chart, bar chart, everything will get it. This is going to share to our manager. This type of chart we're going to share to how to share. Select here. You have a share the dashboard option in here. Share dashboard option is there. Save also is there. Rename is there. Delete is there. What are the things you want to do? You can do. Getting my point, sir? And this actually for management only. That we go through. Artha aita? Any confusion? Yes, sir. Any doubt? Any confusion? Sure. Clear, sir. Another one thing I need to tell you guys. Who all got stopped now? EC2 instance got stopped. Oh, fine. At least 70% people got that. You're still getting okay, sir. Mr. Satya. Not clear about what to talk. Come back now. Come back to the last point. Come back here now. 1 second. 1 second. Last point, the last 10 minutes. Please, we'll complete this thing. I have another class one. Please. Come back here now. Observe here now. 1 second. This last point I'll tell. Please. 1 second. Please observe here now. Second EC2 I'll click. Illi. Edit. Illodi sir. This and all we done. Important, another one last important thing I should this one. System manager action. What when EC2 when particular condition matched, what the action to be automatically should be performed? Add EC2 action. Yes or no? Correct? Notification banto stop ಮಾಡಿದ EC2 instance. So ಇವಾಗ last point. Automatically should create a ticket. Service no ticket. We integrate sir. Nagios alert ಬಂದಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಮೇಲ್ ಕಳಿಸಿ service no ticket create ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Whenever any issue occur, Nagios what it will do? It is send a notification to email also. It create a one ticket by the description. ಅದೇ ತರನೇ ಈ particular CPU utilization cross ಆದಾಗ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ notification ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ವಿ ಅದೇ ತರ track record in production notification doesn't matter. We should have a track record. What the issue is occurring, we should have a track, we should maintain the record. For that, we should have a ticket. That is system manager. That's all. There are 3 types of that values of tickets. If you click on here, you notice incident ticket is incident ticket select ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ incident ticket or op system also can do. This you should know. Critical, high, medium. What that is type of ticket? P2, P1, P0, P3. P3 and P3 medium ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Low ಅಂದ್ರೆ there is some issue. there is some issue, but there is some issue, but it's not required immediate action. It only time for 4 days. Correct? P2 tagole, some priority is there, but it's not effective. Please observe 1 second, sir. You don't need to do this thing. No need to do this thing. I'm also not going to do because they charge around 500 rupees if I create a ticket. Okay, sir. So only ignore because they're creating tickets, sir. They're creating ticket for they give the track of that one. We don't need to do. Just I'm showing the options. P3 mean P3 tagondaga P4 is still more low. That's not at all the priority. P3 some issue in there in the particular thing, but it required the action, but it's not the immediate response. P2 some issue is there. Better we fix as early as possible. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? P1 ಯಾವಾಗ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ immediately require the action. It is effective for only one server. P1 ಅಂದಾಗ particular server ಮಾತ್ರ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. Correct? P0 P0 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ it affected more than one server. P0 P0 P1 ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ. when ticket creating you are going in service now ticket also getting this option. In doubt they would have told or not, I'm not sure, sir. Service now ticket, what is the service now ticket? They are told, not told, no issue. You can remember me next week. I'm going to discuss a little bit of service now and once auto scaling is completed. Clear, sir? You should ask me Nagios and service now so I can, when I can make time in between, I can tell. Getting my point, sir? This is the way automatically it will create a ticket and it's sent there. The category, what you want to select, that you can select. Performance, recovery, what are the availability. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಎ. ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏರ್ಟೆಲ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಏರ್ಟೆಲ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಆರ್ ಜಿಯೋ, ಗೋ ಟು ಜಿಯೋ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಎ ಒಂದು ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಹೈ priority. You need to tell for what are the priority selecting, that one chargeable is high. Yes, sir. Charge is based on priority. Charge is based on priority. When it's a medium, I repeat once again, some issue is there. It doesn't require the immediate action. At least you have 2 to 3 days time. P2 andaga, there is some issue. As early as possible, we need to fix it. Correct? P1 andaga, server is completely down. It required immediate action to make the server up. P0 is very much danger. Complete the data center, most of server is down. Complete availability is down. One year region complete, one AP South one availability region ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 year availability zone complete down ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ. Bangalore, only Chennai, Hyderabad is live now. At the time complete server is down. That record P0. P1, only one server is down. That also ಅದು important server ಆಗಿದೆ, production server ಇದೆ, ಅದು P0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? Yes, no? Yes. Okay. Enough for today. Okay, I'm going to discuss service now and Nagios when I get the time zone. Delete the alarm, delete the dashboard before going. Delete the alarm, sir, because simply it's catchable. Artha aita, sir? Prakash. Understood? Replay. Ravi Kumar, even if you didn't understood, you'll tell us. I'm happy with this response only. Only if you ask one thing, you'll tell complete story. Huh? Yes, sir. Dashboard. Dashboard delete ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್ ಬೇಡ. Next week we can cover the auto scaling. Once that is done, we are good with You can got stop it that automatically. You can end up the people who completed. Happy Sankranti to once again for everyone. Enjoy your time. What madam? Notes, madam. I'm wishing, madam, you were telling notes are in. Only you five people, right? Ping ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲಿ ಇವಾಗ ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋ ಯು ಪಿಂಗ್ ರಿಗ್ರೆಟ್ ಬೇಡ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ I'll send madam. On that I fingered last Saturday.